Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you all my current favorites. I would say mainly October favorites, I guess you could call it. But it's just basically stuff that I've been loving for the past few weeks, and I have put together a basket for that. Here we go, here we are. And let's just jump right to it. And today we have a special guest, Fendi. She, I guess, wants to be in this. She looks so awkward. Can you guys see how awkward she looks right now? Weirdo. Okay, so I'm gonna start with some nail stuff. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know I've been testing out the waters on doing my own nails, which I have done yesterday. I just need to add a top coat, but I do kind of like the matte color. Anyway, I'm getting distracted already. This is what I've been using to do my own nails. I've been doing the SNS powder, and I got these three shades. Black, this is the kind of brownish color, reddish brick color that I got, and then a more like gray nude color. And I chose these three because they're they're great all day. I mean, they're great like seasonal, like all year type of colors. And yeah, they're just great and neutral. So I went with that. And these are only $9 each. Can we just process that? That's cheaper than nail polish these days. Okay? That's insane. And this would last a lot longer than your traditional nail polish, I can tell you that much. And along with that, I got the base, the bond, and the top coat, and the sealer stuff to go with it. And this is the most expensive part of doing your SNS nails. I'll probably show more detail in a vlog at some point once I get the hang of doing vlogs again. But yeah, so there's 4 steps to doing this, and these are the polishes I got. It's not OPI brand, the place I went to just put it in a box, but that's what I've been doing with my nails so far, and I'm loving it. And I'm never going back to a salon ever again unless I'm feeling bougie and really lazy, but that's not going to be anytime soon. So I've been loving doing my nails. It's quite the process. It takes about an hour and a half, sometimes 2, depends how much I mess up, but I'm getting better each time. It's my 3rd time doing it myself now, so I'm getting faster and faster every time I do it. Please don't knock anything over, please. Okay, next nail thing is actually this. Okay, you know, I didn't realize how much I needed something like this until I started doing my nails myself. They're like little nail caps for when you dry your nails. You just put the cotton ball or pad with the acetone in it, and you just bloop, and it's amazing. I don't have to cut foil. I don't have to deal with wrapping the foil around my finger. It's fabulous. I actually saw something like this in Japan, and I was like, do I really need it? I'm probably not going to use it that much, and it was much cheaper, but now I kind of wish I bought it. But I got this on Amazon. I'm going to link everything below, the little things that I can find down in the description box. And the next beauty thing, I discovered this when I went to get my hair done. This is like a dry shampoo slash texturizing spray at the same time. It's not a spray, it's a powder, which I'm actually gonna show you guys how it comes out. You see? You pump it out like a powder, and it look at that. Can you, what? I get so excited about these things. But anyway, so that's what it does to your hair. I used to use the Oribe like dry texturizing spray like it was my religion, but I got sick of the scent. Like, it kind of just made me feel kind of sick every time I smelled it now, so I'm over that. This one does not have a strong scent, which is actually really nice because I like to wear my perfume sometimes, and sometimes like hair products and the perfume just clash, and it just does not work very well. So I really like that this has pretty much no scent. I mean, it smells refreshing, but it's not strong like the Oribe texturizing spray. It's kind of expensive, but I don't use it too well, do I? I probably use it like twice a week, so it's not that much. And if you guys saw, I barely used any product anyway. So what is this even called? Hairstory powder. That's all it says, hairstory powder. And I got it at the salon where I get my hair done, which is Bristol Hairdressing. If you're interested, you better go see Charisse if you want a haircut, and Alexis if you want some hair color. Next thing is this activated charcoal toothpaste. Okay, I thought this kind of shit was a gimmick, but I actually think it's doing something. Look at my teeth. Do they look whiter? I feel like it's making a difference, but I could just be making it up in my head because I want this purchase to be worth it. But to be honest, it wasn't even that expensive anyway. It was $4.99, which is very, very surprising to me because sometimes stuff like this does kind of get up into the double digits. Although it is only 4 ounces, this lasted me about a month. Here's the thing with this though, I don't think it like refreshes your breath like the traditional toothpaste does. So what I do is I brush my teeth with my normal toothpaste and then I do this after for the whitening aspect of it. And I don't do it every day, probably like every other day. The downside of this though, I mean, it's black, the color is black, and it kind of splashes everywhere all over my bathroom. I didn't realize how much like when you're brushing your teeth, how much splatter happens until I had a toothpaste that was color black and I saw everything and where everything went, and it was kind of disgusting. But what can you do? I'm gonna continue to purchase this and continue brushing my teeth with it, and hopefully over time it'll be really white. But I do see, I'm like immediately after I brush my teeth, I can tell that they're brighter and whiter. I don't know if that's just like a temporary thing or if it's gonna continuously permanently make my teeth look whiter. Next up is my vitamins. Okay, this is empty. I need to get another one when I go to Target today. I'm actually gonna head out there in a few minutes. But Ollie vitamins, I've been using this for a long time. I've just been up and down about it. I'm very inconsistent with vitamins, but I love chewy gummies, and the idea of a vitamin being a gummy has just been instilled in me since my childhood days when I used to take Flintstone gummies, and I've brought it in through my adulthood now. And I take the probiotic immune and digestive health, because if you know me, you know I got digestive issues. There's always something wrong with my stomach, so I'm trying to be more preventative with my stomach problems. And the Perfect Woman's multivitamin, I just went with multivitamin because it doesn't hurt to just have one every day. And I do see a difference. So I stopped taking these for like a week. I just kept forgetting, and I don't know what was that 1 week was just hectic, I guess. I don't know. I just kept forgetting to take my vitamins, and I noticed I had a lot less movement. Okay, after that week I was like, oh, my body's not happy with me, something's happening, what is going on? And then I realized I haven't taken my vitamins in so long, so I just ate the last 2 yesterday, so I'm gonna restock today. All their flavors are really good. I mean, what is this one? Blissful Berry, it's not my favorite flavor, but the mango, ooh, the tropical mango is the best. I always eat the berry one first so that I have the last flavor of the mango to like wash down the berry. But if you are trying to practice taking vitamins every day, I highly suggest starting with Ollie, because it's kind of like a baby step into taking daily vitamins, and it's a lot easier to take them. Plus it's also more fun because it's a gummy, so it's like eating candy first thing in the morning. It's great. Next thing I have is this Trader Joe's spiced chai. Now, it's a black tea concentrate, and I finished this in like 3 days. And I haven't been to Trader Joe's in a minute, but hopefully they still have it. It's one of their seasonal items, so we'll see. They might have it through Thanksgiving, hopefully, but this thing was delicious. And it makes so many cups of chai. I like that it's black tea, because I'm trying not to drink as much coffee anymore. This makes four 12-ounce cups of tea. So what I did was mix it with almond milk, because dairy, not my best friend. And I drank it iced, but you could also drink this hot, whichever you prefer. But this flavor was amazing, super good. It's not too sweet. I mean, it's just black tea concentrate with some spiced seasoning, flavoring, I don't know, but it wasn't very sweet. I liked the spice on it. If you're familiar with the Starbucks, it's similar, but definitely not as sugary, which I'm all about. So the Starbucks one is basically just sugar and artificial spice, and too much. But yeah, I highly recommend, if you have a Trader Joe's near you, try this out, because I think this is like $2. And other food item is this pretzel thing that I got at the Asian store. So there's this flavor which is sweeter, and then there's like the original flavor in a green box. Bless you, Fendi. In a green box, it's a little bit more on the savory end, which I like a lot better than this one. But if you have a local Asian store market thing, I suggest trying this out. I'm sure they have it, but it's a great snack and it's really yummy. They're like little pretzel sticks. So if you're familiar with like poke, it's like poke but like without the chocolate, basically. And oh, that's all of it. That's all my favorites. Oh, let me show you guys my favorite song. Okay, wait 1 second. I'm not gonna play it for that long because, you know, copyright infringement. But just to get everyone in the mood of the next holiday, oh, not Thanksgiving, because screw Thanksgiving. Here we go.
Every December we always remember to celebrate the fella in her suit. We see the promos, the reindeer and his glow nose. Believe me, I think Rudolph's nose is cute. And I'm a fan of Frosty.
Okay, that's already 28 seconds. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted for that. But actually, let me like just...
Not complaining, I'm sure it's very draining. Putting off a Christmas Eve world tour. My point in this is it's his marvelous missus. Gets it done on the 364. I was really checking all those lists, filling up the shelves.
She's a master multitasker who works faster than the elves. Okay. Having a little too much fun now. But anyway, that song is called A Hand for Mrs. Claus and basically talks about the fact that Mrs. Claus does everything, okay? Nobody gives her any credit. It's disrespectful. Yeah, that's pretty much today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my favorites. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I'm gonna list all the things that I can find on the interweb down below in the description box. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like this kind of content, and hit the like button or dislike if you don't like it. Just let me know so I know what kind of videos to make. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!